All right. What's going on, everybody? We are fishing some ponds today. River's been a little tough. Lake's been a little tough. You know, they're draining them and everything, getting them prepped and ready for winter. So we're out here trying to catch us some pond bass. So stay tuned and see if we can't get us a few. And this one's going to be a challenge, so let's make it happen. Come on, a good one. Oh, big, dude, biggin'. Jig. Biggin', dude, biggin'. Yeah, there we go. Woo! I don't know yet. There we go. That is a big one. That is a giant, guys. Woo, boy. On the jig. On the jig. Wow. Let's get a weight on this fella. 4.4. Dude, you might as well just say 5 pounds, because 4 pounds, 15 ounces. No kidding. Yes, sir. Woo! That's my biggest bass all year. That's my biggest bass all year. Golly. Let's let that girl go. Wow. Woo! You got the lead by a pound and a half. Oh, dude. That felt so good. Did it run with it? No, I was letting it sink to bottom and I felt a thump. I watched the line jerk and hammered it. Oh. You know what's crazy is that I didn't even get a great hook set. I just had it pinned well enough that the hook stayed in the mouth. Dude, 5-pounder, let's go. Dude, let's go. That makes yesterday all worth it today. All right, we still only got one. We're working on that second, third, fourth, fifth, and whatever today. We're gonna fish this backside one more time, pull out and go to the next pond. So let's see if we can't catch at least one more here. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I've never caught one on one. Really? I'm serious.
I like putting like a speed saw on the back of them. I've never done well with the swim bait on them myself. Maybe a select few times on the lake.
I mean, it
like
don't.
A small, real 2.5-inch swim bait.
I mean, it don't look bad. The swim bait's not that big anyway. It's just.
No, this don't look bad. I ain't saying it look bad. I just haven't caught it. I'm not saying it don't work. I just haven't done damage myself with it.
Maybe we'll speak it into existence. I'll catch one.
Yeah, I think it hurts, dude.
I don't even care if it's 2 pounds.
I'm trying out deep.
Yeah, I know, I see you.
I might come pitch the wood too. They're not right down grass out there.
Yeah, and there's some deep wood too, but I'm not seeing, like, I don't even see any swim in the bottom.
What's weird is where the heck did they go? We've seen a bunch of them.
In the grass. They gotta be in the grass.
They're burying in that grass.
And we ain't got nothing to punch through that.
Yeah, you ain't gonna catch them when they're doing that. There's too much grass to find them to punch them.
Yep.
And it's deep, it's not surface grass. Steelers tickets for the Ravens game is like almost $300. On?
Yes, sir.
Big one.
Nope.
Yeah, it is. Swim jig?
Yeah, we spoke that into existence,
Crushed
dude.
it, dude.
Spoke it into existence.
Yeah, buddy.
Woo! Let's go, homie. Let's go.
Choked it. Were you swimming it?
Yeah.
Oh my! Look how he ate
Woo!
it. Look how he ate it.
I know. Hell yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about.
Wow.
Choked it.
How big's that one? About 2?
Nah. He ain't got the weight.
Huh?
He ain't got the weight.
He might go 2 pounds.
Pound 13.
Yeah, probably.
He's just skinny.
How big?
All right, well, let's try it again. Yeah. Pound 13.
Really?
Yep.
Right on the nose.
Heck yeah,
Oh
dude.
yeah, dude.
That's what I'm talking about right
It's a
there.
healthy fish though.
On the swim jig.
Beside dude, he choked it.
Long and skinny.
Actually choked it too. Straight up inhaled that thing. Like gone.
Woo!
Gone.
Dude, that was awesome.
Gone.
That was awesome.
We
Money.
need one more 2-pounder for a 15-pound bag.
All right, so let's see. 11-1 on our 3 fish so far. That one there, 113. That puts us at
12-14.
12-14.
A 3-pounder put us.
Dang, dude.
Wait, 12-14?
12-14
Two and a quarter pounder will be 15 pounds.
on the swim jig. Dude, that was awesome.
Dude, where that fish was out deep?
No, not really.
Maybe it'll be loaded back here since the wind's pushing this way.
I mean, I'm on one. No.
Doorbell?
Swimming the jig.
Huh?
The actual jig itself. We don't count that one.
It's not big enough.
Look at that thing, dude. Look at it.
Oh my.
Little 8-incher. See a home slice? Ridiculous. Swimming the jig. All right, everyone. We didn't have a whole lot of luck at the last pond, and I'm stuck in some jaggers. So we were kind of doing a little bit of searching around and found some not too far away. But it's a little bit of an adventure because we had to back the truck down some 4-wheeler path, and now we get to go down a hill, and yeah. But it looks great. So we're gonna see if we can't pick us up just a few more bass to end this video on a good note. So stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm at different spot now.
Whew, let's go. This pond does look good. So hopefully we do pull a couple more good ones out. Yeah, like the last pond, I don't know what was up with it really. We tried jigging deep, swim bait, not a whole lot. Caught a little like 10-incher, 8-incher maybe. Jonah caught one, but the previous pond, the 4 we caught out of it totaled 12 pounds and 14 ounces. So we're looking to get that fifth fish to kind of bring that total weight up a little bit more, if you guys know what I'm saying. But look at this pond. Look at this here pond. God, it looks so good. Hopefully there's some big ones in here. We about to find out. Let's get after it. All right, what do y'all think we should start off with? Swim jig, spinnerbait. I don't have a spinnerbait, so it's gotta be jig or swim jig, because I'm not tying anything on at the moment, and that's super gross. We're just gonna chill around here, but I am gonna throw the popper on near the last hour of daylight, so let's see if we can't hook into one real quick here. Huh? I haven't even seen a bass yet. Got one. So it's a decent one. There we go.
We know, bud.
There we go, dude.
What'd you get him on?
Jig.
Yes.
Woo. Little guy, but keeper. Let's get a small weight. Small weight for our best 5 today.
What was he on?
Wood. 1 pound 4 ounces. That puts our total right now at 14.1.
Wow.
14.1.
Well, it should be about 15.
Woo!
Scale for the last.
Heck yeah, dude. Dude, he didn't even wait for that thing to hit the bottom. He wanted it.
What kind of jig that, Bitsy?
No, that normal regular jig.
Oh, nice.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. And you know what's so nice too is, like, I've only had 1 jig fish this year, and you know what it was?
Catfish.
That smallmouth on the river.
Until today.
Until today.
You got a 5-pounder with it.
I gotta make a really long cast because friggin' I got a little windy knot in here. I hope I'm recording. Oh, I was recording.
How deep is it?
I don't know. Same spot. Oh no, dude, I caught him right here though, off of that.
Up in the bank?
I mean, I cast it to the bank, yeah.
He hit right away, you said?
Yeah, he just started swimming to the right with it.
Imagine what our weight would have been had I landed that fucking giant.
17 pounds.
More. What do we have? What did you have? What we have? 11?
No, we had 12, 14.
Oh, that was bigger than a 5.
I think it was 12, 14. I don't know. I'll get all the weights when we.
Yeah.
But I want to say it was somewhere around there.
That was like a. I'm telling you, that was a 6, 7, 8 pound class. It's huge. I don't know. I got a jig on now too.
I mean, I'm not saying it's a jig bite. It just felt like a jiggy. On another one.
Get him? Big one?
Nope.
Bigger than the last one.
No, it ain't. Smaller. Can almost guarantee it's smaller.
Yep, it is.
Heck yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Yeah, somewhere around that tree. Come on, one. No, but it's on the swim jig.
On the regular jig or the swim jig?
The actual swim jig.
Oh, you tied it on?
Yeah.
Nice. They're eating it moving.
Dude, if this bass is so skinny. See you later, buddy. Actually, that one just hit the water.
I don't think there's any big ones in here.
Maybe deep.
Big enough.
Back-to-back cast, dude. That's better. That's a bigger one.
Recording?
Should be. Woo! There we go.
Call?
I don't know.
It's skinny.
It's super skinny.
That ain't a good call, dude.
We need anything bigger than what? A 1.4? 1.6.
Doubled up. 1.6. Doubled up, bud.
Guess what?
What?
1.7.
No way.
Yep.
We're getting closer to that goal. What do we need?
That was the call.
Yeah, I know, but what size do we need?
For what?
To get to 15.
2-pounder.
Oh, that's gonna be tough.
That was back-to-back cast too.
Shit, you probably don't even need a trailer.
Probably not.
I haven't caught one on a jig today.
I thought you did.
Oh yeah, I did. Like 1 or 2 little drinkers. Are you reeling it in, or are you getting it, letting it fall?
No, I'm letting it do its thing, man.
What, letting it fall?
Letting it fall and then...
Big?
Oh, it pulled off.
Did it feel big?
No, but it just pulled off. Oh.
Got him again. That's a better one.
No, it ain't.
Out deep.
Well, originally it hit off the bank. Nice.
I'd like a jig fish.
Dude, it looks like I have a Bitsy bug on. Look at that thing. Got one. Oh, it pulled off. Never mind. Came back and ate it. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's our 2-pounder.
Yeah, buddy.
Out in the middle. Oh, if it's not 2 pounds, dude, I'm gonna be so sad. Let's go. No. All right, let me get that weight again. Yeah, dude.
How big?
2-3. Woo! Yeah, healthy. That's awesome. See you, buddy.
That's over 15, ain't it?
It's over 15. Good evening, everyone. So I was editing this video, this pond hopping video, and I realized that the outro was sped up and distorted. So here I am making the outro. But anyway, This pond hopping video right here was an amazing day of fishing. Probably one of the best days of fishing I've had in quite some time, especially when I'm trying to put content together for y'all. And I will say most of my bites, jig and swim jig. And swim jig, we spoke straight into existence, which is pretty cool actually. And now I've got a lot more confidence in it. When speaking of confidence, if you're looking or trying a new bait in a body of water, your best bet is to just go to a pond and throw around a whole bunch and see what you catch, what you don't catch, and then you gain and build confidence that way, which is also a learning curve too, because a lot of these ponds either have structure or no structure. And 3 out of the 4 ponds had great structure. The last pond did not. It was just pretty much just a deep grass everywhere. So, but anyway, enough about that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one, and please like, share, and subscribe.